Dedicating one's life to a greater cause is a pursuit worth honoring. Unfortunately, for many veterans leaving the military, their dedication to service sometimes goes without receiving any honor. But thanks to programs like M2M, the Military to Manufacturing program from CAMPS, a Washington State advanced manufacturing organization representing highly innovative small and medium manufacturers and supply chain companies, helping veterans find purpose again in the form of work, is an honor that is changing the lives of servicemen and women for the better.
The M2M program helps service members identify the experiences that they've had in the military and how those experiences can be translated into things that the manufacturing world will value and recognize. When you're in the military, and I myself am retired Air Force, the value of a service member's experience is that you have all the disciplines of good employment, you have the disciplines of following instructions, attention to detail, and then you have all of the jobs that you've done in the military, and there's things in every job that you've had that will translate into similar jobs in industry.
M2M is helping advanced manufacturing companies offer career opportunities to veterans who are perfect fits to help advance manufacturing into the 21st century.
I think it brings a stable workforce to the manufacturing world. It brings a workforce in who are dedicated, who knows what it means to be a team player, and they have the drive and the motivation to see that company succeed.
For veterans, M2M teaches how to translate the foundational skills they already have to work in environments using advanced technologies, advanced materials, international quality standards, and global logistics practices. In a 2-day workshop, they learn how this industry-focused and employer-driven program informs and prepares veterans for entry-level, semi-skilled, skilled, and leadership positions in the manufacturing industry.
It gives a veteran or somebody transition out of the military another aspect, another path to take other than what they've been doing their time in the service. Here's another whole world that you could probably explore and find an opportunity to get a job in.
I was like, I've done 30 years worth of airplanes. Let me try something different. Manufacturing seemed like a good fit, so I attended the M2M conference where they took the 2 days to walk us through a resume and kind of teach the language and the lingo for what you're going to do and kind of prep you for interviews. Did a couple of social events with them where you're kind of talking with prospective employers. Went to their big seminar that they had up at Emerald Downs where I met Chris Caldwell, the gentleman that is the president for the company that I work for, and we got to talking over a beer. Just a connection we made, and we got to talk. We said, like, hey, I'd like to come by and see your facility. And he said, come on down. And that next Monday I went down. I got there about 9 o'clock, and by noon had an offer on the table.
CAMPS knows military personnel are natural leaders, skilled in operating advanced weapons, communication, and support equipment, and have readily transferable skills. The executive director is a veteran himself and understands the skills, experiences, and motivations of veterans that make attractive candidates for employers.
What CAMPS did is gave me a brief exposure to the concepts of manufacturing and how our skill sets apply in the manufacturing world, and then the invites to events where the leaders of those organizations are meeting for their own purposes was what was crucial to me to start seeing how I could fit in this world and be part of this community.
I think it'll behoove any company out there to take advantage or even look at hiring a veteran of any military component.
The beauty of the M2M program is it's like the Rosetta Stone. You take those great skills, each profession has its own language, and now you take those military skills, translate them directly into industry and manufacturing, you make a match, in many cases a perfect match like it was for me.
For more information about the M2M workshop, contact CAMPS today by going to their website at camps-us.com.